Hello everyone, I have a box from Mercedes-Benz India to unbox here. It's a 1:43 scale Mercedes C-Class W205 from Norev. This car comes in the dealer edition box, which looks really nice. It also has a window which helps to see the car inside. The car is also protected in this acrylic case. There is also a Mercedes logo on top of the case. The front is really well detailed. There is the diamond grille with the chrome dots on it, and the radar for the cruise control is also detailed on the logo. The logo on top of the grille is photo etched. The wheels are really well detailed, and there is a photo etched logo on the center cap of the wheel. The back is again really well detailed, and there is the photo etched logo on the boot lid. The brakes are also really well detailed. There is the C-Class license plate on both sides of the car, and it's written in German. There is also a chrome strip going around the side windshield. The interior is again really well detailed. You can see the various buttons on the dashboard and the steering wheel. The logo on the center of the steering wheel is printed and not photo etched. The door cards are dual tone in silver and black and are really well detailed. You can see how detailed the dashboard and the center console are from here. The wipers are not separate and are molded in with the windshield, but they look really good. This is how the back seat looks like. You can see the rear AC vent inside, and there is also the third brake light under the rear windshield. And this is how it looks like from this side. There are chrome inserts in the mirror and they reflect really well. Interestingly, on the base, it says Mercedes-Benz C-Class in German on this side and in English on this side. The rear diffuser looks really nice, and there is a chrome ring around the exhaust tips. The left chrome ring looks a bit crooked, but a simple push fixes it. There is also a Mercedes-Benz logo printed under the base. The car looks really nice, especially with the AMG line bumpers. The chassis is really well detailed, and you can see that it is named the C-Class Estate, as Norev uses the same base for the sedan version and the Estate version of the car. The exhaust system is also really well detailed. Both the front and rear wheels roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.